Okay guys, I'm here again to encounter about the teaching of the Iglesia ni Manalo because their preachers did not believe Jesus Christ is God. So, I'm here guys to rebel, to stand, to protect the name of my Lord God Father Jesus Christ, and I will explain plainly Jesus Christ is God. Jesus Christ is the everlasting Father, the mighty God, the wonderful Counselor, the Prince of Peace, according to Prophet Isaiah, chapter 9, verse 6. So listen, Iglesia ni Manalo. There is none good but one. That is God. That is my Lord God Father Jesus Christ, the righteous God. Though two, there is none good but one. That is my Lord God Father Jesus Christ. So observe wisely guys. There is none good but one. That is God. And observe wisely guys. Only Jesus Christ, the righteous God. Because only Him, the righteous man. So meaning to say, the righteous God represent to Jesus Christ. That's the reason prophet Isaiah spoken about a child. For unto us a child is born, unto us a son is given, and the government shall be upon his shoulder, and his name shall be called Wonderful Counselor, the Mighty God, the Everlasting Father, the Prince of Peace. And this child, guys, absolutely, definitely, truly represent to Jesus Christ. So meaning to say, the everlasting Father, the mighty God, the wonderful Counselor, the Prince of Peace, represent to Jesus Christ. So, this is the evidence, guys. So, I don't care if you ignore this teaching, guys. So, I want you to understand your own understanding. So, I will discuss again, guys. Jesus Christ said, I and my Father are one. Okay, guys, I will discuss again and again. Again and again. Okay, guys, listen carefully, guys. I will discuss. Jesus Christ said, I and my Father are one. So, here in verse 30, John chapter 10, verse 30 up to verse 33. Verse 30, Jesus Christ said, I and my Father are one. Then the Jews took up stone against to stone him. Jesus answered them, Many good works have I shown you from my Father. For which of those works do you stone me? The Jews answered him, saying, For a good works we stone thee not, but for blasphemy, and because that thou being a man makest thyself God. So, the reason why the Jews tried to stone my boss Jesus Christ, it because the Jews thought Jesus Christ committed blasphemy, because Jesus Christ said, I and my Father are one. So meaning to say, Jesus Christ proclaimed and declared himself he is God. So that's the reason the Jews tried to stone my boss Jesus Christ. It because the Jews thought my boss Jesus Christ committed blasphemy. So, this is the evidence, guys. The Jews did not believe the works, guys, because here in verse 25, guys, listen. John chapter 10, verse 25. Jesus answered them, I told you, and ye believe not. The works that I do in my Father's name, they bear witness of me. So, meaning to say, guys, all miracles, all works Jesus Christ did, healed the palsy, healed the blind, healed all sickness, healed, healed all kind of sickness. So, those miracles and works, guys, the witness to justify, to prove Jesus Christ and the Father are one. That's the reason, guys. Jesus Christ said, I and my Father are one. So meaning to say, guys, the everlasting Father represent to Jesus Christ. The mighty God represent to Jesus Christ according to Prophet Isaiah chapter 9 verse 6. And remember always, guys, there is none good but one, that is God. And only Jesus Christ, the righteous God, because only Him, the righteous man. So, gets my point, guys. So, observe wisely, guys. Jesus Christ absolutely, definitely, truly declare and proclaim Himself. He is God because He said, I and my Father are one. So, meaning to say, the Father and the Son represent in one name, represent to Jesus Christ. So, I don't care, guys, if you believe or not. So, it's up to you. The important for me, I share this verse and I do my best to interpret, to explain plainly. So it's up to you if you believe or not. That is not my business. The important for me, I stand and protect the name of my Lord God Father Jesus Christ. So that's my that's my my goal, guys, to stand and protect the name of my Lord God Father Jesus Christ. I don't care if you ignore or not. So it's up to you. And remember always, guys, there is none good but one. That is God. And observe wisely, guys, only Jesus Christ, the righteous God, because only Jesus Christ, the righteous man. So observe wisely, there is none good but one, that is God. So the righteous God represent to Jesus Christ. So that's all, guys. And it's up to you, guys, if you believe or not. That is not my business. The important for me, I share the truth.